In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your personal AI journalist that monitors your brand mentions and finds niche topics, everything that was published yesterday. So basically, it runs make.com automation every day in the morning. And so Perplexity AI basically goes to the internet, finds everything that was published yesterday about the topics you're interested in and about your brand mentions. And then a ChatGPT module puts it all together and posts to Slack. So you get this really nice overview of everything that is new when it comes to your PR. So let's start building this whole thing in make.com. And you have to open up a new scenario, and then the trigger field is going to be a Perplexity AI module for a chat completion. The same model works fine. And the user role. And let's add a prompt here. I have a prompt already saved that I'm going to paste here. And you can get the same prompt from aimarketingmasters.com and a lot of other prompts and automation files as well. So basically, I'm here saying that I want all of the news articles that were published yesterday about our brand. And I can change the brand name here to whatever I want to. Maybe let's say Tesla here. And I can also make the temperature a bit lower. So I'm usually using like 0.7 for temperature for any AI model. And then let's continue. So the next module is also Proplex AI, because now I also want to get some niche industry news. So not just monitoring for my brand, but I want to see like what others are publishing or what are the latest news. So maybe I can use those for social media. So again, I'm going to use the user message, and I have another prompt that I have saved. Again, you can get this same prompt from AI Marketing Masters. And basically, it's a really similar thing where it's about the topic. Here it was carbon capture. I could do electric vehicles, for example. And that's also asking for all of the news stories from yesterday. And again, the temperature I'm going to change to 0.7. And the third module is ChatGPT. Create a chat completion. And this module is just for formatting the whole thing together. So let's use the GPT 4.0 model and user role. And let's copy paste another prompt here. So basically, this tells ChatGPT how I want the format to look like. And also I want this to combine the inputs from Perplexity AI modules. So it takes them from here. So let's change the company name and build these up again. Electric. And here I also want to change the temperature from 1 to 0.7. And max tokens, I can put 0 here, then it takes the maximum that's available. And the last module is Slack module. And here, create the message. You just have to connect your account, find the channel that you want to use. For me, it's a random channel. And then the text part, again, I have some text that I have already figured out. I want to add here, basically just a way to make it stand out in Slack. And here I just have to use the ChatGPT output as the message. And basically that's it. This is the whole automation. And the last thing you have to do is to save it and then change the scheduling. So you want this to run, maybe you want this to run once a week, but then you have to change the prompt a bit as well. But for me, it makes sense to do it every day. And let's say 9 a.m. is okay for me. And then you just turn the automation on and it works. So we can run it once. So basically, why I'm using so many modules here, you could also use only 2 modules. Basically, the first Perplexity AI module asks only for one topic, only your brand mentions, and send it directly to Slack. But I found that I get better results when the topics are a bit separated. And it's also better when ChatGPT is doing the formatting for Slack and I'm not using Perplexity AI models to do the research, the formatting, and to research different topics. I think the outputs are way better if I'm spreading out these modules this way. So hope you like it. Let me know if you find this use case valuable, and also give me ideas for new use cases, and I would love to figure those out. Thank you and bye.